Sorry, my mic was muted. What's up, guys? How we doing? As you can see, I'm currently in a trade. I probably get wicked out of this thing because the NASDAQ is being NASDAQ and jumping around like crazy. Yeah, Mason, I figured it out. The mic was muted. I am on a new monitor, however, it looks no different. That is where I'm at. And it's a nice monitor too, so it shouldn't be still blurry, but it's still blurry. So I'm thinking it's got to be a setting with the streaming software. But yeah. Oh, of course you are, Naz. I was up a lot on this trade too. I have a feeling it's going to come back down to the 170s here. All right, I'm out of the trade. But that's okay. Because that is my second trade this evening. And I'm currently up 17, almost $1,800. So I am happy with tonight. What a wild pump. Right off the open. I thought for sure we were going to gap down in like lower and try to go fill that gap, but apparently it just wants nothing to do with it yet. Absolutely nothing to do with it. Yeah, Casper, we used to trade overnight sessions quite a bit. All right, so we are printing glizzies on everything right now for the most part. I just don't know if I like it yet. I mean, this is a wild pump. I'd rather see 250 get traded before we try any short side trades. I don't know how Goose does it, I'll be honest with you. Like, he's shorted into the biggest pump I've seen in a while. I would hope you got better at poker since then, Casper. Oh, goodness. Yeah, the good old poker nights. Oh, man. Looks like it's probably going to be a light stream tonight, guys, because of the holiday. You know, a lot of people not at their charts. Tomorrow is Memorial Day in the U.S. for those of you that are tuning in abroad. Half day for the futures market. I really don't know which glizzy I want to try, or if I even want to try one of these. Like, I have a feeling we run these highs once again. I mean, YM's at 42K. The Russell, I'm not interested in. The NAS, ES. Yeah, I don't know. Plus, after being away from the charts for a couple weeks, like I don't know, $1,800 right off the rip is pretty good, if you ask me. All right, I tell you what. Let's do something different. Let's go. Let's try the RTY. I don't know if I can. I don't know what's going on. It's not letting me click the RTY. Oh well. Wow, seven viewers right now, guys, or 10 viewers. I'm not sure which. Thanks for tuning in. It's kind of been a long weekend for me. You're looking for a 165 long, Casper? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I like short side here. Down back into like 21 120. I mean, interest is definitely to the downside currently, but I don't know that we get any kind of like big retracement on this overnight. Generally, when we have strong moves like that on the Sunday Open, it does not come back. And especially not going into a holiday, I would think, but I could be wrong. Dump to 21,050. Might short 72 minis, Goose. I don't know if I'm going to be shorting 72 minis. I can tell you that. Are you talking across 20 accounts? You're hammered right now, Goose. I mean, do your thing, bro. Do your thing, brother. Goose, you're already up nice though. What? You're up like a little over 2K? I don't know. I don't know if I could trade drinking. I don't know if I could do that. Dump to 21,050. I can see that. I can see that move happening. Right? You short from 21,200 right now? Yeah, I kind of want to. I don't know. I mean, definitely trail. I'm sure you are. What's up, Pegs? How are you? I know we chatted a little bit over the weekend. Either you make 14 trillion or break even. Yeah, Goose. I don't know. I've just watched these Sunday Opens, you know, and it seems like the direction that it initially pumps or dumps, it continues for some reason. I'm not sure about going into the holiday tomorrow how it's going to react, but how Pegs, you're loving the break and retest. Yeah, the break and retest is one of my go-to setups for sure. For sure. Yeah, I mean, if you caught that 980 or 21K long early, that's scary though. I don't like doing that. I like things to settle down a little bit. I don't know. Like I said, I'm pretty risk averse when it comes to that kind of stuff, like the gambling, the gambling, like just entering into a trade because of impulse. That's scary. Oh, on ES, Pegs? Yeah, I haven't even looked really at ES, what ES did. Let's see. Yeah, 58.10-ish, I guess. 58.12, somewhere around there. Yeah, I don't know. I like things to settle down a little bit. Get some structure, especially going into a new week. I can see that, Goose. I can see some chop. I would expect with this kind of pump them to try and run this top wick up here. We do have R1 pivot sitting right there at 231 as well. My level, I haven't moved it. It's been there since last week. It's 230 to 250. Yeah, Pegs. I mean, I'm up 1800 right now, so I'm not in any rush to get into a trade right now. Last thing I need to do is give some of it back. Yeah, yeah. 2 trades, 2 winners. I anticipate the viewers being a little light this evening. I mean, most people aren't probably trading. Goose, I swear, bro. Perfect time to short it. How many minis? 12 minis? With an $1,800 stop? No. What's up, Martin? Tomorrow's the holiday, Martin. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. So you'll have a half day of trading in the morning. I won't be trading tomorrow. I'm going to take the day off. I'm going to rework my desk setup to fit in the new monitor with the other monitors. Really, all I did was put the new one where one of the old ones is for right now and removed one completely. So I'll have 4 monitors going tomorrow at some point. I am going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with my PC, though, because it is definitely sitting right where the 4th monitor is going to go. short 12 contracts. Here, Goose, you want me to hop onto an eval in short? Let's try it. Let's see. My funded futures is this one. I sort of need a pullback, though. I need it to come up more. I don't want to be shorting the bottom of this big red candle. Yeah, Goose, that's what I'm saying. I want nothing to do with the shorting the bottom of this candle. $21,160 is your target? Yeah, you should get that, I would think. I mean, you would think it would sweep below these lows here a little bit at least. I'd like to see this retest down here around 120. That's where I'd really like to see it fall to. But it's just jumping around. I mean, look at this. I mean, that's a crazy, crazy retrace. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you. It gotcha. Yeah, I mean, that whole 180 to 200, really 170 to 200 area is just, I don't know, chop. Oh, I would take that. Goose, you're sitting pretty. How many contracts did you have on? Mason, you're waiting for the 250 short. Honestly, Mason, I have noticed on US holidays a lot of times you get these slow grind ups. And with positive news, you might not see the heavy sell until possibly Tuesday or Wednesday this week, if it's going to come at all. right? Unfortunately, you do still have these orders higher, and I know that there is a big order sitting up there at 21,800 as well. So I'm not sure that we... I mean, you got orders down here trying to close that gap as well. I'm not sure, though. I've got no read on this market right now. Cade, he paused the EU tariffs. You cry if it sells now, Goose? All right. That was the pump that I was waiting for, unfortunately. Yeah, Kate. I mean, we all just need to face facts that, you know, like the heavy sells come in. They're fear driven. They're speculation. You know, like Trump announcements are strictly to get people to the negotiating table to like reintroduce terms or yeah, like introduce new terms. It doesn't mean that he's going to stick to them, right? Like, he's just trying to get these other leaders to the negotiating table. I just can't believe that the market acts as wildly as it does every time something happens with the word tariff. I mean, I get it, but at the same time, the violence that ensues is just absolutely absurd. Like, guys, back just 3 years ago, 200 to 300 point moves, you know, were large. Those were big days. Those were like very, very large days. Now 200 to 300 points happens in a couple minutes sometimes. It's wild. Also, Goose, I've come to the realization that I don't like RTY. RTY will slow grind you to death. I have noticed that it moves in tandem with YM, but I don't know. This is looking like we might make the surge up to 250. There's all this up to 250. Trump has been tracking your trades and tweeting when you enter, Cade. Sometimes it feels that way. Sometimes it feels that way. Yeah, no, Goose. Yeah, the break even was smart there. I really think we're coming up to this 250 up here. A Casper, you're long 200? Oh, no, no, no. They are just chopping. Immediate rug imminent. Yeah, Cade, sometimes it feels like that, though. Like, I can't tell you how many times I get into a trade, you know, 2 seconds before some news announcement comes out. Like, some unannounced news announcement comes out. and or not planned, and immediately just get yanked for, you know, $600-700 and have to flatten it. It's kind of strange right now, guys, because I've moved my execution monitor over to like by the camera so that when I'm looking at it, you know, I'm kind of looking at the camera as well. But it's hard to get used to. It used to be over on another monitor. You missed when Biden was in and you didn't know what phones did, or he didn't know what phones did. Yeah, that poor guy. All right, this looks very pumpy all of a sudden. I'm not going to enter long up here, though. Too many Biden jokes. Yeah, I don't... Well, here it comes. Let's see, above 250. Oh man, we got a lot of room above 250. I wouldn't be opposed to trying like a 260 short. It's going to be hard to long up here, though. I mean, how much are we already up on the session? We're up 1%, 1.08%. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It looks like we got, I don't know, 20 people in here roughly, 18 people in here, something like that. If you're lurking, say hello in the chat. Also, feel free to hit that subscribe button. As I've said many times before, we're trying to get to 1,000 by end of July. Yeah, I think 250 is going to get traded. I find it very hard to believe that we just roll off of this and don't try to at least sweep higher. It feels like kind of slow grind up into it. I think Goose might be right, though. I think we are kind of range bound. 1,000 subs by tomorrow, Mason. Oh, that would be something. With no content going out other than a live stream, that would be... Especially a live stream that's maybe going to get 100 views. Maybe. I think we still got people filing in, though. So, clearly people are at the charts. 7% to go, Goose. Gotta show off the Lambo for the views. Yeah, don't have one of those. Don't have one of those, Pegs. I guess I could go rent one like all the rest of them do, right? I don't know. I'm not trying to be an influencer. I can tell you that. I'm just trying to be me. Do my thing. If people like me, they like me. If they don't, so be it. As long as I help people make money, that's all I really care about. What's up, Faraz? How are you? Buy a vape and put 53 indicators on the charts, infinite free subs. I mean, I could rage and break a monitor or something, you know. That's just pointless. That's just absolutely pointless. I just got to get Goose on more often and have him keep changing colorful animal print shirts. That's what I need. And since he won't do anything with his channel, we can do it on mine. But it'll feel good? No, it doesn't feel good watching money go down the drain. Some face tattoos, Yoji. Yeah. Back in the day when I first started streaming, the core group of guys were always like, yeah, strip trading, that'll do it. No, we want it to be organic, you know. We want people who A, are interested in good trading, right? Like, we want the right kind of subscribers as well. It's not just you want everybody to subscribe. You want the right kind of subscribers. You don't want the random ones that are going to watch when you are raging or whatever and only tune in then. You know? Alright, guys. Let's try this. I think we're going higher. I'm going to hit the bid. What's going on here? I'm going to front run 250. We're going to let it ride. Man, I thought I was getting into the 80s, but apparently I got into the 90s. Let's put a break-even stop in. Yeah, Martin, you think you're the wrong crowd? Wow, that came back as soon as I looked over at the chat. I guess if it wants to come back below 200, I'm fine with it. I'll take the stop. Faraz, the logic behind the trade? There's really no logic. I'm seeing price holding up, right? I think we run this wick eventually. I don't know when that's going to happen. You can see the buyers are showing more strength than the sellers right now. They're definitely pushing price. You can see on the DOM, interest is still a little bit higher with the larger orders stacked above current price. So I'm thinking we're coming higher just based on that alone. Is it something that I normally do? No, but live on stream, in order to have some action, sometimes you do stupid things, and well, that was one of the stupid things. All right, we got stopped out for $100. So that puts me at $1,900 on the night. If YM takes 42,030. All right. the last time we were there? Yeah, I can see at least another 100 points if it gets above there. For sure. Man, NQ is just chopping. A rather wide chop range, but it is just chopping. Goose, if you're still here, did you take the 200 short? Nah, you're done. Martin, yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, so there won't be a stream tomorrow night, right? I'm just gonna take tomorrow off. I'm gonna do my desk setup and hopefully have everything ready to go by Tuesday evening. Well, hopefully it's ready to go by Tuesday morning so I can actually trade. But I'll be back every night this week, probably. Assuming I can get everything done. But yeah, tomorrow night, no stream. Resume regularly scheduled programming on Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Oh yeah, I guess your time. Yeah, you're right. For all you UK people, for sure. Best software to get the volume data for NASDAQ? For us, I use Quant Tower. For my props and personal. If you're trading a personal account, you should be like, they should provide you with level 2 data, right, for fairly cheap. With props, I think you have to purchase it through whatever prop firm you're trading with. But in order to get any kind of volume analysis, you're going to need level 2 data. So like in order to get the DOM surface, you need level 2 data. Or to get a DOM of any kind. Oh, we actually peaked up in viewers there, huh? I'm surprised this many people are around on a Sunday evening right before the holiday. Although I guess the majority of you are, other than Goose and Casper, the majority of you are from overseas, abroad. Excuse you, Ireland. Bonus points for calling it dairy? What's the significance of dairy? Later, Martin. It almost looks like it's a buy the dip situation right now. Now that I'm looking at it. Canada? Yeah. A few Canadians. Tenors in Canada. I've had a few new people recently that have popped in and checked out the stream from Canada. One's from Montreal. It probably won't be a long stream tonight, guys. Especially being up as much as I am right now. But I did want to pop on and say hello, especially to try out the new monitor. But I don't understand why it doesn't look any different on stream. It really looks no different. Are the number is the price line still kind of blurry for you guys on your end? Because it looks really blurry on my end. Oh, yeah, Mark, man. Oh, the trading plans days in Good Gains? Yeah, I still do them every morning. They're just in my Discord now. Yeah, Kate, I don't understand. I don't know if it's a setting in OBS that I need to change as far as the blurriness goes. Like, this new monitor is a 4K monitor. Like, it should be plenty. It's like 340 hertz refresh rate too, so it should be crystal clear. Like, it looks crystal clear on my end. Not a massive difference because we're looking at trading software, but looking at OBS right now, it still looks kind of blurry, so I don't understand. It's got to be something with the streaming, like bitrate or something like that. I'm not sure. It's got to be a setting that I don't have right. It's clear on yours, Goose? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I've had a few people say it looks blurry on their end. Like, looking at OBS for me, it looks a little bit fuzzy. But that also just could be my poor eyesight as well. I don't know. I'm not sure. Either way, we ball. Yeah, I want to say OBS is max 1080. I mean, I'll take your guys' word for it. I will definitely take your guys' word for it. I don't know. I just might have to tinker around with like the bitrate settings for stream quality and see if it makes any difference. I don't know. If it's crystal clear, there shouldn't be any issue. Goose, it was actually R-Dub that said something on stream not too long ago to me about it. He said on his end, it like a few trading streamers, the numbers are just blurry for him. Man, Goose, you could have banged that 200 short over and over and over again. Mason, I'll be honest with you. I haven't looked at the level up trading chat all weekend. Other than, I think I saw Goose post something where he was at a golf course asking where DJP was, and I told him he needed to go further into the trees to find him. Goose, you go to chart settings and change the axis font to 14. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm not. Is it going to mess with like my template, like my chart template, Goose, if I do that? I'm not sure I want to mess with that while I'm live on stream, but yeah, I can't even remember where to go to do that, Goose. I'm not gonna lie. Is it right click anywhere on the chart? Settings? Or was I in the right spot up here with the settings? I don't want to change that. Right click chart on the time scale and the price scale. All right, right click. I don't know. It doesn't give me like any kind of settings. Right click the chart. Okay, right click the chart. Go to where? Settings. I don't even know. Time scale, price scale, maybe? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, is that... Does that look better? Like with the big numbers? Much better? Okay. Make them bold. Alright. What is this? Price scale. Bold. Now I gotta do this on every chart, don't I? Great. Alright. We'll figure this all out. Quant Tower setup video coming soon. Alright, does that look better? All the way around? Nice. Nice. Alright. Okay, now we ball. All right. Oh, jeez. I'm going to have to do that for all of these tabs, too? Oh, man. Okay, that's going to take me some time. I'm going to do that after the stream. Holy crap. I didn't realize you had to do it for everyone. I thought maybe you could do it on each individual, like, chart, right? And it would just save that workspace area as what it is. But, yeah, that's wild. All right. But that is much bigger. Much better. Can't believe you didn't tell me about this sooner, Goose. Nirmala UI font. All right, let's see. Let's see what it looks like. We'll go price scale. Oh, that's much better. That's a little more condensed. Okay. Now I see. Yeah, that's so much better, Goose. So much better. All right. Yeah, that's so much clearer. All right, I got you. I got you. Yeah, send that invoice on over. Send that invoice on over, Goose. All right, well, we are just kind of bouncing around. Let's try the same trade again. Sure, why not? If we're gonna range, let's range. I will take the stop out down here, though. Now, Goose, if I want these to be bigger, is there a way to do that? as well. Let's go like 240-ish. Let's front run it. So you know how it shows your profit loss, your entry bar, and this stuff over here? Is there a way to make that a little bit bigger? Was making an invoice okay? So like your stop line, your limit line, is there a way to blow these up too? So we're kind of stuck with that size, unfortunately. Yeah, they should make it a little bit easier. All right, I guess we go break even at this point. I was kind of hoping it would just accelerate back up to 200, but it's pulling back. Should be available. Goose, I'm scared to do updates anymore. Like every time I do an update, it's like something crazy happens. I see your invoice. Nice. Guys, he really sent me an invoice. He's going for 10K. That's the charge. That's the charge for the Quant Tower setup. It's a rather professional invoice too, Goose. I mean, come on now. Come on now. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, I'm in a trade. Sorry guys. I forgot all about it. Oh my goodness, it's too funny. I forgot I was in a trade even. You got me all distracted. Casper, you think that move got all the buyers it needs? I don't know. You know, the volume's kind of dwindled off. Yeah, it was very distracting. Yeah, I didn't even realize. I forgot I was in a trade during that whole time. I did. All right, we came up into point of control. I think I'm just going to let this one ride. Very distracting. That invoice is so official too. I like the handwriting too. Goose, what do you use? What pen do you like? Digital pen do you use to draw? I need to get some sort of drawing tool that's not the cheap Quant Tower draw lines thing. Snipping tool and a mouse? That's it? I've heard of these like digital pens that people have. Come on, let's just go run 200 here. Run all these wicks. Let's get a big boy trade in. Whatever, you're poor. Yeah, I don't know. I've seen people with like the digital pens on their streams, you know, where they're drawing lines and explanations of things all over the place. I need to get one of those. Those are handy. Oh, Casper, it's already the move's already happened. Unfortunately, you might get a little bit above that top wick, but I don't think. Don't get me wrong, it could launch, but with the low volume, I'm not sure that it does. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. If you're new here and lurking, say hello in the chat. Also, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button if you guys could. And if you want to support the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button as well. All right, I think I need to lock something in here. I want nothing below 90, really. So I'll move my stop up. You would think that it would want to come up here and grab some of this liquidity resting higher. Some of these orders a little bit higher. But I don't know. I don't like the way that it's moving and jumping around the way that it is. Hey, Pegs. Thanks for the membership. Appreciate you, brother. Pegs, if you have your YouTube account linked to your Discord profile, you will be able to have full access to my trading plans each morning. It should show up in Level Up Discord for you. You should have access to that channel now. If not, let me know and I'll manually add you. Yeah, it should be under the morning prep section in Level Up. And there should be a channel called WE Trading Plans. It'll basically look like all the prior trading plans that you remember from Good Gains, for the most part. A little bit more professional looking these days, but yeah. Oh, nice, Mason. 25 points on your first trade on your funded. GG's. Chat, give Mason a GG's. Yeah, it's just kind of holding up here at 200. I do think it floats higher. There's just no volume backing any of these moves right now, unfortunately. We are just chilling in this position right now, guys. Absolutely chilling. Up about $400 right now. I'd like for it to run all these wicks kind of aggressively and come up here and to test this prior wick high. If we get up there, I'll probably trail to, I don't know, probably like 220, because I'll kind of want it to aggressively push higher up into 250 if we do get up there. And if not, my stop is right below 190. But either way, we've locked in profit. I'll be right back, guys. Does Mason want to run the stream? Mason's been on. Mason's been on stream before. Man, it just does not want to push through 200. I was gone for 2 seconds, Casper. 2 seconds. Gold looks like a good long. All right, it probably wicks me out here. Long gold 33.34. Yeah, Goose, the trading gold the other night on that stream was, I didn't realize that it flies around like it does. That's a highly levered ticker. Aiming for future untested POC at 5,000? Wow. Expecting a launch out of gold, huh? Oh, come on, Naz. Quit chopping. Just will not go. Oh, Pegs. Okay, I got you. I see your message. Let me add you here manually. All right, Pegs. I just added you or gave you permission to the channel. You should be able to see it now. Let me know. Volume letting down on Unrewound Rental from Blockbuster. Yeah, there's. I mean, the volume's just dead, guys. I mean, it's holiday tomorrow, weekend coming up. Those of you that are lurking, feel free to hit that subscribe button if you want to support the channel. Say hello in the chat. Oh, Caleb, the 20 account Apex thing. Oh man, that's a dangerous, dangerous path. Nice, Pegs. Good. Good deal. Volume great. I'll take a look at it. It wicked me out. Are you kidding me? Was that a bottom tick too? So far a bottom tick. All right, let me look at gold. Where are you long from, Goose? You're long from 33.30? It's so highly levered, though. Like, it's just so much leverage. That's a good long position, though. For sure. And you're targeting 5K? I mean, you're targeting way up there. You looking for this move? There's a micro gold contract. Yeah, I think you almost have to. Bitcoin futures, Tim? Yeah, I don't trade Bitcoin. 33.42. Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there. Caleb, yes, he is. Yes, he is. He's already admitted to being bombed. What is Bitcoin trading at right now? 110? Are you kidding me? Just long a Bitcoin contract every time you get an hourly long glizzy print. I'll keep that in mind for future reference. Yeah, I don't mess around with any of the cryptos at all. I think I own some Ethereum, but I never look at it. I think I want to say I bought that stuff like I don't know, like 4 or 5 years ago, but it just sits in my wallet. I don't ever mess around. I don't trade crypto. I mean, you're almost a target, Goose. You are making some money tonight, sir. You are just slinging contracts over there. Yeah, you're making some good money tonight. A candle not traded is a candle where you didn't make money. I mean, that's accurate. I mean, Goose, I would. I would be targeting 50. At least 45. Or what is this? What were you targeting? 42? So you were front running this wick? Yeah, I mean, this is pretty strong move back up. I really think you could get 50 out of it. At least. I mean, there's your target. I probably would hold the runner. Yeah, that's what I would do, Goose. I mean, I'm probably about to get off stream here anyway. Yeah, that's a nice move. That's a real nice move. All right, guys, I'm gonna probably call it there. Just wanted to pop on for a little bit. I'm up. What am I up? I'm up 2K, almost 2K on the evening. Really good trading, actually. Really good trading. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 by the end of July. Tomorrow is a U.S. holiday, so I won't be on tomorrow evening. You guys, you Americans, enjoy your holiday. Enjoy your time off. And I'll be back Tuesday evening at 7:45 Eastern for another Globex stream. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.